State of Ohio versus Christopher Cole, charged with obstructing official business, vandalism, breaking and entering, inducing panic, and carrying a concealed weapon.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Cole.
Good afternoon, Judge.
At this time, we will address the issue of bond. Let me first ask the prosecutor for North Ridgeville if she has any thoughts or recommendations on that issue.
I do, Your Honor. Given the situation, this was something that took a lot of planning, and as the court's aware, the defendant had with him a bulletproof vest. He had a loaded gun. He had extra ammunition. He arrived early at the building, posted it so that the employees would not be able to get in, and secured the doors so that they couldn't. As such, we're asking that no bond be posted, and if the court does, that no bond be set. And if the court does, we're asking that conditions of bond include a psychological evaluation, considering that we believe this was an extremely irrational and ill-conceived thing to do.
He went into a business which he may or may not be a part owner of or the owner of. He barricaded himself in.
He did, Your Honor. There was a broken window. We believe that's how there was access obtained to the building. And at around 6 a.m. this morning, when the employees began to arrive, they found that they had no access to the building. There was a posting up that indicated that they should return to work on Monday. It indicated that there was going to be something of a holiday for them, and it even gave a phone number where they could call if they had questions. And sometime shortly after that, the police were contacted and they arrived. And that's when they began negotiations with him.
Attorney Baranek, would you care to address bond?
I would, Your Honor. This is, as I've spent some time speaking with the prosecutor about, this is not some situation where you have some crazed person who was out doing things that he shouldn't be doing. I will correct one misconception that the court has. There is no dispute that Mr. Cole is 25% owner of that business, and he is the president of that business. In addition, as far as Mr. Cole having possession of a firearm at the time, it's my understanding that was voluntarily surrendered earlier on in the proceedings, and certainly as soon as I arrived on scene, Mr. Cole voluntarily came out without incident this morning. I don't believe that the prosecutor's concerns are with merit to the extent that we need to keep him without a bond. Mr. Cole has nowhere else to go. His family is here. He has no intentions of going anywhere and does not pose a danger to anyone.
Your Honor, of course, my concern is with the manner that this incident transpired.
Absolutely. Well, this court is not in a position right now to resolve those issues. What does concern me is that what appears on its face to be highly irrational and emotional conduct, where Mr. Cole seems to have taken the matter into his own hands. He was armed with a weapon, he had body armor, and to me this is not the act of a rational person. Frankly, I am concerned about him being a danger to himself or to others. Accordingly, bond will be set quite a bit higher than normal. Prosecutor business, $50,000 cash or surety on the vandalism, and $50,000 cash or surety on the inducing panic, for a total of $200,000 cash or surety.